Welcome to Configuring Results, Communication. Select the second half of Step 3, Communication, to open the Settings pane at the bottom of the screen. In this section, we can configure the different types of communication protocols available to the Insight 2000. OPC, or Open Platform Communications, provides a platform-independent, secure, open architecture solution for industrial devices and systems. EasyView allows for the creation of an interactive HMI through the use of either the Vision View or the web-based HMI built into Insight devices on firmware version 5.6 and above. We will come back to this in a moment. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, allows for the transfer of images and data to a server on your network. We will cover this in a later video. In addition to these three communication methods, we can also set up a primary and secondary protocol. Primary devices use industrial protocols to communicate with PLCs or robots. The secondary device is limited to either a TCP/IP or UDP connection. Like FTP, this will be covered in depth in a later video. Let's set up an HMI through EasyView. First, select EasyView, then click Add. This brings up the EasyView Items dialog where we have the ability to choose the elements to display and interact with in the HMI. Inside this dialog, we will start by selecting elements to retrain the pattern tool used as our locator. In the Locator section, check the boxes for locator.model, .search, and .train. These will allow us to change the model and search regions, then retrain the pattern. I also want to see the block width result and change the acceptable range for the tool. Move to the block width section and check the boxes for block width.minimum, .distance, and .maximum. Once everything is selected, click OK. Back in the Settings pane, all the selections that were just made are available to configure. Click Insert Label, then use the up position to move it all the way to the top of the list. We will call this first section Pattern Settings. We can then adjust the captions for the other elements. Follow the same steps for the block width tool. Once complete, save the job and then disconnect from the camera in the Get Connected step. In the View menu, turn on the Insight Network pane. Right-click on the camera and select Open Web Browser View. This allows us to access the web-based HMI. Use the EasyView controls at the bottom of the screen to adjust the locator and block width tools.